Priced to open the door to one of the most desirable towns in the region, this is a rare opportunity to enjoy low-maintenance living in Harvard, Massachusetts, without sacrificing style, comfort, or convenience. Located in the highly sought-after Trail Ridge at Harvard community, this beautifully updated condo stands out even more with no age restrictions, making it appealing for a wide variety of buyers looking for space, flexibility, and value in the Harvard real estate market. Inside, the open floor plan feels bright, welcoming, and easy to live in. The centerpiece of the home is the recently remodeled kitchen, where the striking granite countertops, an expansive peninsula, and generous workspace create the kind of layout that just works well for everyday living as it does for entertaining. Oversized windows bring in beautiful natural light throughout the year, and it gives the home an airy feel and enhances the warmth of the gleaming hardwood floors that run throughout. There's something special here for every season. In the colder months, the gas fireplace adds the kind of cozy atmosphere that makes the main living space feel especially inviting. And when the weather turns warm, the oversized back deck becomes a natural extension of the home, offering the perfect setting for morning coffee, outdoor dining, or just simply relaxing and enjoying the peaceful surroundings. Practicality is just as much a part of the appeal. Storage is abundant both inside the unit and in the spacious two-bay garage, giving you the flexibility and the extra room that buyers are always looking for. For anyone searching for a condo in Harvard, Mass, with an updated kitchen, an open layout, garage parking, and no age restrictions, this is an opportunity that deserves a closer look. Come experience this special property at open houses. Access is limited due to pets, so planning ahead is encouraged.